Access denied. Scraping blocked. Accounts banned. If you scrape, test, automate, or manage multiple workflows online, you've seen these limits. MarsProxies helps you get around them. We provide fast, reliable proxies that route your traffic through real IPs across the world. You choose where you appear and how long you stay there. We offer residential proxies with ethically sourced IPs, sticky sessions from 1 second to 7 days, and non-expiring traffic. Datacenter proxies with dedicated IPs, industry-leading speeds and unlimited bandwidth. And ISP proxies with static dedicated IPs, exceptional speeds and no bandwidth limits. Mobile proxies with real dedicated mobile IPs, automatic rotation and unlimited bandwidth. We've designed an intuitive self-service dashboard where you can set up your proxies easily, test them with our free tools, or access our help center for clear guides. Not sure which solution you need? Contact our highly praised support team and get the information you need in minutes. Create a plan that works for you. Choose from pay-as-you-go, daily, and monthly options. No traffic order limits, no contracts. Because online freedom shouldn't come with a hefty price tag. Sign up at MarsProxies and choose your proxy solution today.